Hey everybody, so your girl's about to cook spaghetti. I'm making spaghetti tonight. Okay. Nevaeh's eyes are starting to hurt again. She took her temperature. It's not even a temperature yet, but it's 99.2. So her eyes are hurting her. Is your dad, where's your dad? Go ask him if he should give you that medicine with that. So that way we can break it before it even gets started. I'm going to make her chicken spaghetti because she doesn't like... Well, you know you cannot be sick and not take medicine, sweetheart. Nevaeh, please don't give me a hard time today. I don't want to hear that. You and I both know. Anyways, I'm going to make spaghetti. And then I'm going to make Nevaeh chicken spaghetti. I mean, not chicken spaghetti, cheese spaghetti. Because she doesn't eat regular spaghetti. So I'm making two different types. No, cheese spaghetti for Nevaeh. And regular spaghetti for y'all. So that way, we are getting it all together. How's everybody doing tonight? The baby's had a good time at school, y'all. Jace, somebody was telling him that a girl likes him. Okay. You ain't got no business, not as long as you live in this house. Yeah? Talking about I always tell his business. When did he get business? Please tell me that. When did you get business, son? You got a what? I feel like you got a job? Yeah. Why would you have a job, son? You need to sit down. He talking about he got a job now. Where you get a job at? Where do you have a job at, Justin? You have a job at school? What are you up there doing? I mean, are you fixing things? I mean, I'm trying to figure out what you got going on. Huh? You do what? Test? That's your job? Up there taking tests? Oh, I didn't know that. No, if that's what you want to do, son, go ahead, all for it. Huh? What did you say, son? Y'all, Jay's got jokes tonight. You've been taking tests all week? Yeah. So that's your job? That's what it feels like now. Oh, so that's his job, ladies. He's been taking tests all week. Oh, let's go. That's what his job is. That is good. He's got test after test after test. Huh? Oh. I guess that's what it is, ladies. So anyways, I'm making spaghetti tonight. Something simple, something easy. Fast and easy. Because, girl, I am tired. It's like it's the whole waiting in line thing. It's the whole, I'm tired. I'm ready to call it. Throw some oregano in here, some salt, some pepper. And we're going to see what it tastes like. Some tomatoes. You know, all the above. Huh? What is it? I said, yeah, but school's been pretty good. School's been pretty good? Yeah. Oh, I'm so happy you like school, baby. Huh? What did you say? I said Buzz Lightyear. You said Buzz Lightyear? Yeah. Well, anyway, ladies, when I start putting it together, I'm telling you, it's going to be one amazing dinner.